Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple but pretty spring tablescape. So the first thing that I'm going to do is fill up these Ikebana style vases. You'll notice that I have a flower frog in there, and I just prefer to use this style of arranging over, say, bud vases because I like the shape that I can get. So today we're going to be using base flowers and what I like to call floaty flowers. And I'm starting first with my base flowers. And these are typically the larger headed bloom that I have. And so I'm just going in and kind of filling in the vases, creating an interesting shape, and leaving some room to add in my floaty flowers. So this is what it looks like when they're all based up. You can see everything is kind of nice and low, but I've played around with the dimension so that everything looks really natural in shape. And now I'm just adding in my floaty flowers, which are the ranunculus, and I'm keeping these ones a little higher than the base flowers. This is just gonna help me get a light and airy feel to the design and have some really cool dimension in there as well. So now you can see that I have them filled in with the base flowers and my floaty flowers. There's just one thing missing, which is adding in some texture with fruit. So typically I like to do a combination of whole fruit, and then I like to add in some slices of fruit. So I just kind of like the texture and the color that it brings. And I'm adding in some petals now because I think it just gives the tablescape a really fun spring, abundant feel to it. And there you have it, a simple and pretty spring tablescape. I hope that you guys can follow this video and make your own.